Concentration is a way that we quantify or measure the amount of solute in a specific volume of solution. And it shows up in our everyday life. For example, here's this everyday example of frozen orange juice concentrate versus the orange juice concentrate that has been diluted in the pitcher. So the concentration of the orange juice in the pitcher is lower than that in the can because we've diluted what's in the pitcher by adding water to it. So those everyday experiences of dealing with concentration are going to come in handy as we look at some of the chemical expressions of concentration and dilution. So most sciences have to measure concentration in some shape, way, or form. Here, for example, is some concentrations of salinity of oceans, and the orange has higher concentration of salt than the blue or the green. So again, concentration is going to be amount of solute over volume of solution. And we'll look at several different ways that we can express this in terms of different units. Now, before we go on, again, it's super important that we have a clear idea of the difference between dilute versus concentrated solution. So the dilute concentration has less solute per volume than the concentrated solution. And if we just think about experiences in our everyday life, that makes sense. And to make a diluted solution from a concentrated solution, we add water to it. And then the volume increases. You see that right here. We add water to this concentrated solution, the volume increases, and the concentration of the solution goes down.